How to quit your job and live life on your terms through Airbnb rentals. Look, I wish somebody would have took some time out of their day to show me how to actually do this. So I took time out of my day to show you exactly how to do this. There's really two core things that we need to figure out. How much money do we need monthly? That's your expenses. And how many rentals do we need to cover all those expenses and to live life on our terms? Look, here in the United States, it's about $7,000 average to really live life on your terms and actually quit your job, okay? And what that means to you is that you only need a handful of rentals. I'm talking about my average rental, for example, it averages about $1,500 to about $1,900. So if we slice that down the middle and put it at $1,700, we only need 5 to 7 rentals to cover the slow seasons and all that good stuff for us to live life on our terms. Isn't that crazy? 5 properties, only 5, and you don't have to own any of the properties at all. So there's a goal, there's a target. Go out there and get 5 properties that are in highly populated areas and that can generate a good income for you right now to quit your job. So now you have a goal, now you have the strategy, and if you want the step-by-step plan, you know the drill. DM me passive so I can show you step by step how to do this, and we can set this up and the goal together. Bang.